Mrs. Woodyard interjection, just letting you know, I realize that you have 4 videos to do tonight, and I realize that I promised maybe I would never do that to you again, but it's a lesson in learning how to be lied to. You needed hope that you would never have 4 videos, but the actuality is, the reality of it is actually, I wasn't quite ready, just with 2 videos. Felt like you needed a third one. Or a third example at least. Okay. Alright, so on to the questions. A, which is a multiplication, and B, which is a division. Let's just start out with a multiplication. It's a little bit easier. So first things first, we always want to what? That's right, factor it. So then this one becomes x plus 5, x plus 4. This is the same thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit easier. First I'm going to factor out the 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 times, this guy right here is the difference of squares, so it's x plus 1, x minus 1 over 3x plus 5. Now I'm getting a little excited, right? Because I see an x plus 5 in the denominator and an x plus 5 in the numerator. I get to cancel them later! Woo! First though, I need to simplify that a little bit better, and then I need to do my, what is it? Oh, non-permissible values, that's right. X plus 5, x plus 4 over 2. This is going to be x plus 4, x minus 1 times x plus 1, x minus 1, 3x plus 5. I told you that factoring gets really, really real in this unit, right? I'm not giving you just one and say, oh, factor it. No, I'm giving you like 4 things to factor in one question. So make sure that you know all of those factoring rules really well. Remember guys, our denominators cannot equal 0, so we have non-permissible values of x cannot equal -4, -5, and +1. And that's it. That's all that brings the denominator. Since it is multiplication, all we have to worry about is the denominators, not the numerators. So I'm just going to fix the formatting of this: -5, -4, and 1. Because it goes from least to greatest. Now I'm going to do canceling. 5 and 5. Guys, this is the beautifully fun bit. I know you think I'm crazy. Well, I am, but x plus 4, x plus 4. Look at everything just melt away. It's fabulous. So the x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 4, and x plus 4, and the x minus 1 and the x minus 1 all cancel. So what are we left with here? We're left with x plus 1 over 6. Let me just double check, and it's right. Remember, we have to get the non-permissible values before we start canceling out. Otherwise, we wouldn't actually get any of these values. If we just look at this, we would say, oh, 6 equals 6. 6 can't equal 0. Great. But we had to first cancel out these things. These things existed in the denominator at one point before we canceled them out, so we need to still consider them. All right, this one's a bit more of a doozer, but don't worry about it. It'll be okay. First things first, let's multiply by the reciprocal. I was going to say flip, Dad, but don't worry, I didn't. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the second, and then we're going to factor, and then we're going to state our non-permissible values. X minus 2. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to factor out a 3 here. Hopefully you can see me. Hopefully I can do that step by itself. Now I'm going to change to multiplication, and I'm going to put this on the top. So 3x squared minus 12x minus 63 over 3x squared minus 12. All right, I'm going to factor. x minus 2 over 3x minus 7 times, I'm going to factor out a 3 up top and 3 off of the bottom, x squared minus 4x minus 21 all over 3x x squared minus 4. We have a difference of squares here, and I know that 3 times 7 is 21, so I'm feeling like this is factorable, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. Next up, x minus 2 over 3x minus 7 times 3 times x minus 7. X minus 7, woo! Okay, and then x plus 3x minus 2, x plus 2. So now at this point I'm going to stop and save my non-permissible values before I do any canceling. X cannot equal negative 2, positive 2, and positive 7. Now I get the joy of canceling. One moment, please. Found it. X minus 7, x minus 7. X minus 2, x minus 2. What's the other bit that we can cancel? Whoa, 3 and 3. I think that's it. There's no 2. Yeah. Alright, so what we're left with here is x plus 3 over 3x plus 2. Let me just check my answer. And we're good!